So remember those crochet braids I had? Yeah, you want to know how I kept them up before I took them out? Watch and you'll find out. So I just got done refreshing this dry scalp, y'all. How did I do that? Water, and I just cracked open a new flavor from Mimi's Curls. I'm talking about her butterscotch moisturizing hair and beard growth oil. And then I just topped it all off with a scalp massage from Thermal Vibes. So roses, that's just a little snippet of what I do here, but the point here is if you want to keep the hair that's you're trying to protect, you got to protect. You need to go ahead and seal in that moisture. So every now and then I'll share a little bit of what I'm doing while I'm wearing protective styles, and of course the wash days in between. But now we're getting into taking out these crochet braids. As you can see, there's a little knot. I pull the hair through it and slide it on out. It is so fast. This didn't even take me 10 minutes to do. It really went fast, so that's what I like about these pre-looped crochet braids, twists, whatever you want to do. It's super duper easy. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do so. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss my videos or my posts I have been starting to do in the community tab. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know if you're protective styling, whatever it is. Let me know what it is whatsoever and how you've been keeping that moisture locked in to your protective styles. Okay, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. And other than that, if you want me to share more of what I have been doing, including how I've been cleaning my scalp while braided up, let me know down below. Other than that, I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.